Hey. Hey. So, I was thinking about getting into filmmaking. Oh, okay. Yeah. It looks really interesting, and I want to start doing it. Uh, but just wondering, like, how do I, how do I get started? Oh, uh, well, you're gonna want some gear, lenses, cameras. Uh, you're gonna want to shoot every single day, and you should learn how to edit. Editing will really help you out. Okay, great. That sounds awesome. Uh, is there anything else I need? That's pretty much it. You don't need to learn anything else. Should be good. Oh, awesome. Cool. Thanks. Bye. See ya. Good luck. Okay, get into focus. Come on. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah. So today we're going to talk about filmmaking. What's new? I think that no, what I just said in the sketch there is not entirely true. I don't think that those are the three things that that you only need to know about how to become a filmmaker, how to do filmmaking, but I do think that there are three key fundamentals to getting started. And we're going to talk about what I think are the best three ways to start as a filmmaker. Now, I do believe that one of the key fundamentals is shooting every day. Shoot. That's what I mean. That is something that is very crucial to the learning process if you want to get into filmmaking, whether it's as a cinematographer, as a director, as a writer, whatever it is that you're doing that involves filmmaking, do it every single day so that way you learn every aspect of it as you go along. That's definitely like the top one. Obviously, if you want to become a director, a cinematographer of some sort, you are going to need gear. And so that's why I say gear is another key point that you will need to get started. But also having the gear allows you to learn a little bit more. And the more that you're shooting, the more you learn how gear works. I've been shooting for a little bit over a year now, and I have learned an extensive amount of information about how cameras work, codecs, lenses, aperture, ISO, the triangle of exposure, all these awesome things that you start to learn over time after shooting every day, after using your gear every day. You learn a lot. I think that as a cinematographer or a director, it really helps you when you know how gear works, because you can understand what limitations might arise or what you could come up against when trying to create your film or produce something that you want to do. Again, first one, shoot. Second one, gear. You gotta have it. Without it, you can't do anything. And the last tip that I want to talk about is learning how to edit. Editing is, again, a different scope. It's similar to the gear tip that I just gave, where when you know how your gear works, you know what your limitations are. And the same goes with editing. When you know how editing works and you understand how sound design, how color grading, how able to layer in different effects so that way it can make the shot seem more smooth, you can understand, well, maybe I don't need to do this type of shot, or I don't need to do this type of motion to get that same shot that I have in mind. Maybe I can keep it on a tripod and in post create some keyframes that'll give me that same effect. But yeah, editing is really important because, again, you can start to visualize the timeline and see how your story is going to lay out as you piece it through the day on your shoot days. And you can go, okay, if I'm going to shoot at this angle, I'm in the edit, you would want another angle to cut to just in case, so that way you have a nice safety to make it seem more fluid as the story is being told. 3 tips. I want to keep it super quick today, guys. If you like what you saw, or if you felt like this was helpful in any way, please let me know in the comments below so that way I know you guys are actually getting something from this video. Also, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up so that way YouTube can push it out to other creators who are just starting. As a creator myself that has just started within the past year, I want to share the things that I've been learning as I go and bring you guys along for the ride. Yeah, I would love it if you were here for the ride. So feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right? Peace.